Adding a menu item is very easy. You'd go to menus, select the menu group that you're working in, and then I've already added a menu, called it shop. So you could simply select any of these blank menus, and we will just first look at this one. I've used a menu type called front page for the main shop. It's got the alias of shop. Now let's say that you are using one of those blank menus, then you'd first click here on select, and you'd scroll down to virtual mart here at the bottom. Then you'd see that there is a number of different options here of what you might want to show. So if you want to show a single product, or if you want to show category, or if you want to show the shopping cart, or display vendors, or your terms of service, or the user's address. This of course you won't use unless you are changing the user's profile page, and this might be something that if you use that option, you must be sure to change the visibility to registered, especially if you talk about account maintenance and edit user address. There's product detail layout, list orders, manufacturer detail layout, category layout. Now let's change this from front page to category layout. When I spoke about the access level in using, I was referring to this. So if you are doing anything that's in relation to the client's account, be sure that it's set to registered, so that the public cannot access that menu. Now here we're gonna decide, okay, let's look at the accessories category. I'm not gonna change the alias since we want to quickly have a look at this. Then save that. Now I'm working on a blank website, so if we were to open the website, and we'll see that it's got no modules or anything set up, but that's not a problem. Since we know the alias, we can type in shop. Oops, what happened there? Let's view it again, and then shop, enter. Now it will load the website shop as a category layout. Now this template has not been changed at all. We haven't made this nice presentable. This is the default. This is how these templates, the shop would look if we didn't add some template changes to it. So you have all your different products, and here you can page through them, and there is the sort options that we spoke of in the shop setup, as well as the amount of products shown at once. And if they then click on product details, it actually takes them to that product. It shows the nice big image of that product, and then no additional charges when there is none for the different sizes. But as soon as they select then a bigger size, it updates the price. And yes, most of this we probably have customized for you so that your shop looks much more presentable. But that's just quickly showing you how to add the shop to a menu. Of course, we don't have the modules showing up here at the top, the menu module. I could add that, but it's not really necessary since we've dealt with that already in the basic set. And so you could change it. Instead of a category layout, you can decide that you might want to just use it for let's say front page. And front page is like the shop's front page. It's not really your website's front page. It doesn't need to be your website's front page. It can just be a page that exists on your shop, and so you could change it to front page, that link, and what it will do is it'll show the categories, and it'll show then the latest products, and then the top 10, and all these settings is what we showed you in the shop setup, what you could change. And here you could put an image, but most of this we would help you set up initially, and then later you could just make changes as you want. Okay, that is adding a menu, adding the shop to a menu, either a front page or a specific category, and brings us to the end of our Virtual Mart training. If you have any questions or anything's unclear, please do email me. I'll gladly answer those for you. Until next time, goodbye.